So these are the Glossy printable magnetic sheets I'm going to make fridge magnets with. They print so beautifully and glossy, and I'll show you how easy they are to print, cut, and use. This set comes with 5 sheets total, and they are 8.5 by 11 inches. So I'm going to start by designing a few small to medium-sized magnets with my artwork and place them on an 8.5 by 11 inch page. Once I'm happy with the designs and placements, I'm going to go ahead and print them out. These magnetic sheets are for printing on inkjet printers. I'm using a glossy photo setting. This did print out beautifully. The colors are vibrant, detailed, and so glossy. Now you can cut with scissors or a cutting machine. It's really up to your personal preference and what tools you have available to you. I'm going to go ahead and cut them out with scissors to show you how easy it is to use these magnetic sheets. They cut really easily and the final result looks amazing. So I'll go ahead and stick them on my fridge. They stick on really well. You can also move them around easily. So if you're wanting to make your own magnets at home, I highly recommend this magnetic sheet paper.